Hey guys, so welcome back to another very exciting tutorial of Creatnprocess, and in today's video we're making this on the new logo design. The logo represents the flying bird and it looks like it has been formed from a paper which has been folded in such a way to form these shapes. So to create this logo, we'll first create those paper like shapes using our few techniques. Then we'll add up the grading color, then we'll create those folding shadows, and then we'll add the text. So let's begin the tutorial. So first we'll use the rectangle tool and create a square. With a shift and alt press, just click and drag and create a square. Fill it up with certain color. Now copy it once, Ctrl C, and we'll paste it later. Then select this, left click your mouse button, go to transform shear, and the shear palette will appear here. Keep around 35-degree shear angle and click OK. Now paste Ctrl F the shape which we have copied earlier and bring it down, and again transform shear, and here we'll give around -15 and click OK, and this will be fine. First we have given 35-degree angle, and this one we have given -15-degree angle. And then after that we'll place this over here attached to this. Change the color so that we can distinguish the difference. After we have done that, next thing is we'll use the line segment and divide this into two pieces. But before that, select this and copy it once, Ctrl C. Now go to line segment, and from here click and drag until here. And now select both of them, and with the shape builder tool and with the color selected, select any color, just click on it and it will be separated. Now select this and delete it. So this is the piece left. Next we'll paste that which we have copied earlier, Ctrl F. Now next is we'll use the line segment again, and we'll draw it from this angle and from this point until its middle here. But before that we just scale this up a little bit, like with a shift press just scale it up and place it in its position like this. Now with the line segment, from this point just click and drag to its center, this much. Now select this and the line segment, and with the shape builder tool, with the color selected, just click on it and the shape will be separated. Select this, delete it. So after that we'll draw one more line segment from this till this, and we are using this so that we can create a parallel line from here. So we'll just keep it at this point and like this, and after that select both of them with the shape builder tool, just separate this out and later delete this, this and this. So we are left with this. Change its color to something else so that we can see it. Now next thing is we'll go up. We'll create a division here. You can see there is two divisions, so we'll create that using the line segment. Create a line segment from here till this point intersection. Select both of them, separate them using the shape builder tool. Now we will create one more line segment from here till here and give it some stroke color, maybe dark, like this, and bring this to here in such a way this point is attached to this point. So we'll just bring it here and place it properly like this. Zoom it in. If it's not closed, just go and intersect it. Next thing is we'll copy this one, this shape, Ctrl C, and we'll paste it later. Next is select the line segment tool. From this point just click and drag and around about this much, create a line segment and fill it with some stroke color. Now select this shape and the two line segment using the shape builder tool. Now join these and fill it up with certain color like this, or maybe different color so that we can see that. Now delete this and remove this stroke color. After that the next thing is we'll create the last piece here, this one. We'll be creating this. Now you can delete this and Ctrl F to paste the earlier one. Now next we'll use again the line segment, and from here till here and fill it up with some stroke color. Bring this to around this point and make sure this point is attached to this end point like this. And again we'll use the line segment and draw out one more line segment from this and attach to this point. Now select, before that just copy this once, Ctrl C. Now select everything with the shape builder tool and the color selected, just make this one object. Now after that you can delete this piece and Ctrl F to paste the front, and this one arrange it to front. So we have created all the basic shapes which were required. Now we'll add these grading colors. So select everything with the eye picker and the Shift and Alt pressed, just click the color and everything will be applied like this. Now we'll do a little adjustment with the grading color. G is the shortcut for grading color, and from here just click and drag and apply it. It's applied like that, like this. V for selection tool, G for grading color, and from here till here like this. Lighter at the bottom, darker at the top. In this way select this, G, and lighter here, darker there. In same way G, lighter here, darker there, and extend this little bit like this. So this is, in this way we'll be applying the green color. Select this one again, from lighter to darker, this one lighter to darker. So we have applied our green color properly. Now next thing is we'll add the folding shadows. So to create that we'll use the pen tool and create a shape. So we'll click here, one at this point, other at this point, and at this point, and fill it up with certain dark color like this. Next we'll create over here also. We'll use the pen tool from this point till this point, and here, and then here. One more here. We'll use the pen tool from this point till this point, this, and then finally connecting the earlier points. Now again from here, from this point till here, then again here, and this here. So this is going to be the shadow which you can see here, which I've given. So after creating all these, it looks like it's the shadow. Now after that we'll select this piece and make it brighter. So we'll go here and give it some bright color, bright blue like that, and click OK. So it's going to be like this. Now once you have done that, we can group this up, Ctrl G, and place it there like that. Now finally we have created all the folding shadows and grading colors. Last thing is we'll add the text. So we'll select the text tool, click here, write out FLIGST flight, and we are giving the font is Erase Medium ITC. So we'll use that for our logo, that's Erase Medium ITC, and we'll select, double click on it, we'll change this color to, select the eye picker and select this color. This is the color we are using, and we're placing there. Scale this down a little bit, place it properly, and you can scale this up overall a little bit like this. And finally we have created our logo. We have created these basic shapes using those very few techniques. Then we'll add the grading color, then we'll add those shadows using our pen tool, and then finally we'll add text. So this is how we can create these kinds of logo. There is an announcement on April 15. We are releasing our new product which includes 50 professional logo designing tutorials, plus you'll also get their project files. Along with that you also get the color presets. These color presets are the colors which I have used in all of my tutorials, so you can use this as your color guide in your future projects, and this is going to be awesome. I hope you guys will like it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming up, and if you want more updates on designing, you can press the subscribe button.